Picture this, hundreds, maybe thousands of hungry soldiers all needing to eat at once. It's like rush hour at a buffet, but with a lot more camouflage. This is the daily reality for military cooks around the world. Feeding an army is no easy feat, especially when time is tight and appetites are large. Whether it's breakfast before a big operation or dinner after a long day of training, getting soldiers fed quickly and efficiently is crucial to maintaining morale and operational readiness. Think of it like a giant jigsaw puzzle with every piece needing to fit perfectly. You've got to consider how much food to prepare, how to transport it, and how to serve it quickly without compromising quality or safety. And let's not forget the importance of taste. A decent meal can be the difference between a soldier feeling energized and ready for action or feeling sluggish and demoralized. Feeding a battalion is a military operation in itself, requiring meticulous planning and coordination. It all starts with the numbers. Military logisticians use sophisticated software to predict how many soldiers will be eating and what their dietary needs are. They factor in everything from religious restrictions to allergies to ensure that everyone gets a meal they can stomach. Then comes the sourcing of ingredients. Imagine the grocery list. We're talking tons of meat, mountains of vegetables, and enough bread to build a small fort. These supplies are often transported over long distances, sometimes to remote locations with limited infrastructure. Once the ingredients arrive, the real cooking frenzy begins. Military kitchens are like well-oiled machines, with teams of cooks working around the clock to prepare massive quantities of food. Feeding an army, especially during rush hour, is not without its challenges. Imagine a sudden influx of soldiers due to an unexpected mission change, or picture a power outage in the middle of cooking. These are the kinds of curveballs military chefs have to deal with on a regular basis. Limited resources, unpredictable environments, and the constant pressure to maintain hygiene standards add to the complexity. And then there's the issue of food preferences. You can't please everyone, but ensuring a variety of options helps keep the troops happy and well-nourished. Why all this effort for a quick meal? Because in the military, food is more than just sustenance. It's a strategic asset. A hot, nutritious meal provides soldiers with the energy and mental focus they need to perform at their best, especially in high-stress situations. It also plays a vital role in maintaining morale. A good meal is a reminder of home, a small comfort in the midst of challenging circumstances. It fosters camaraderie and a sense of community, reminding soldiers that they are part of something larger than themselves. So the next time you see a group of soldiers lining up for chow, remember that behind those steaming trays and hurried bites lies a complex and crucial operation, one that fuels the strength and resilience of our armed forces.